Let's look at some more recipes for citrus drinks. Let's have a look at this old cookbook. See what sort of recipes they have. Lemonade. Juice of half a lemon or 1 lime. Half a pint of water. A quarter of a teaspoon of carbonate of soda. Sugar to taste. Lemonade. Imagine making your lemonade fizzy with bicarbonate of soda. Put the strained lemon juice into a large glass with the water. Add enough sugar to sweeten it and stir in the carbonate of soda. This makes a nice effervescing drink. I'm sure it would. It would, wouldn't it? It would be effervescent, certainly. Lime squash. Juice of 1 large lime, soda water, 1 tablespoon full of sugar, a half for a small lump of ice. No, rather 1 or 2, the writing's so tiny, 1 or 2 small lumps of ice. Strain the lime juice into a tumbler, add the sugar and the ice, fill up with the soda water and serve. Orangeade. Juice of 12 oranges, 2 pints of water, crushed ice, rind of 2 oranges, 3/4 of a pound of sugar. That's sweet. Put the sugar and a pint of water into a saucepan with the orange rind and stir over the fire until the sugar is dissolved. Bring to the boil and allow to cool. Then remove the rind and strain in the orange juice. When wanted, add the remainder of the water and some crushed ice. Orange soda, this one's alcoholic. Juice of 1 orange, 1 dessert spoon of brandy, soda water, ice. Put some crushed ice into a tall glass and strain in the orange juice, add the brandy and fill up with soda water. My lips are getting wet now just thinking about it. Carbonate of soda to effervesce. See ya. How do I turn this thing off?